round number 11. We start with the raising loop and one single crochet into the same place where we made the connection, and 7 single crochet into the nearest arch. After that, we go with 7 single crochet into the next arch, and we go into the next arch with only 4 single crochet. Here we make 5 loops after that, and we have to turn the doily and make a slip stitch into the 4th, which is the middle of the previous arch. Raising loop, and we turn the doily again and we make 8 single crochet into that arch. And in order to finish the arch we started, there is only 3 single crochet left, which we're going to make in here. And then we continue in a simple way with 7 single crochet into the next arch, 1 single crochet into the middle, which will be into the top of the treble crochet, and again 7 simple single crochet into the next arch. And then we continue the round this way. Together I will show you how to do it. In the end, there will be a simple slip stitch into the first single crochet. Okay, let me show you how to do it. A raising loop here and 1 single crochet into the same stitch. Now we have to make 7 single crochet. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A little bit complicated for me to do it in front of the video, so I hope you can see everything clear. Into the next small arch, 7 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Into the next small arch, we are doing only 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I can turn the doily right now actually, but you don't have to. We can make 5 loops and then turn the doily. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Into the 8th single crochet from here. Let me show you. It's gonna be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So you can see it's in the middle. We make slip stitch, a simple slip stitch. It's in the middle of the previous arch. Then 1 raising loop, and here we have to turn the doily again, and 8 simple single crochet into the arch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And in here we don't have to do anything just to finish the arch. There is only 3 single crochet left. So we do 1, 2 and 3. This way we can see how it's formed, and when the doily is blocked, everything is gonna look very, very nice. Let's continue and make other stitches together. 7 single crochet into the next arch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1 single crochet into the middle in the treble crochet, and again 7 single crochet into the next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, like that. It will be the big arch with treble crochet in the middle. I want to show you once again together. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and into the next one, only 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think now I'm not gonna turn the doily right away, so I will make 5 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now I can turn the doily, count 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and into the 8th we make a slip stitch here and a raising loop, and again we turn the doily, the last one, 8 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, like that. Let's finish the arch. 3 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, this way. I like how it looks like. In the end, the slip stitch into the first single crochet. I'm sure you can do it yourself. See you soon.